So here we are, back again. If you haven't seen enough case videos for the S23 Ultra, well here, I've got some more for you, so let's check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, got some more cases for the S23 Ultra, and big thanks to the guys at Mous for sending these out to me. Guys, much appreciate you getting in touch and supporting the channel. Rock stars. So these are the Limitless 5.0s for the S23 Ultra. So I've got the clear version because, you know, I like a bit of clear cases to show off my nice funky color that is not red. Samsung. And of course, would this be a Michael's Tech Talk case video if there wasn't some Aramid fibre in there somewhere? You know yourself. Big shout out to Mous. All of their packaging is made from recyclable materials as well, so that's great. It's good to see. No plastic here. What we have these are the Limitless 5.0s. So we've got the clear and we've got the Aramid fibre. And first impressions out of the box, yeah, these are really premium. On the inside, we've got this shock absorption material that Mous use for their case. We've got no other lining in here other than the clear plastic because it's a clear case. And then we have our Magsafe ring there as well. So on the Aramid fibre, we have then this like suede type lining on our magnet layout here as well. So that's really nice. Good solid bumpers on both of these cases. Not much give in them. Good rigid case. Bit of a fingerprint magnet, this clear case is already. But sure, goes with the territory, doesn't it? First up, let's weigh these cases. So the clear is 49 grams. And the Aramid fibre is 52 grams. So let's try out the clear case first. That's nice. I quite like that. Actually, that's quite a nice colour scheme with the black frame and the black ring. And then you've obviously got the black you've got the black camera modules as well with the black frame. That's a very nice colour scheme. It works really well, although it is a fingerprint magnet. If you look at that as well, look at massive lip at the bottom and at the top of the display. Really good. And the frame does come up pretty much level with the display. Doesn't cover the display, but it comes up pretty much level. Do put that face down. That surface is not going to touch the display, so you're safe enough there. And that case is really good. I actually really do like that. What do you guys think? I think that colour scheme works really well with that colour of S23 Ultra. It's really nice. One thing though, you will need to keep a microfiber handy. Because it's shiny, you're going to get all those fingerprints all over the place. But it is nice, it's really nice. And the camera lenses don't protrude out of the case, so they're going to be protected as well. If you set that phone down, they're not going to touch that surface, they're not going to get scratched up. Which is really, really nice. Then on the bottom we have our cutouts here for our charging port, our speaker and our S Pen, which doesn't obstruct it in any way, comes out perfectly. It's a great job. That's a really nice case. Even though that frame is shiny, it doesn't make it slippery. You know, you can still get a good grip on that case, which I'm quite surprised at. I expected it to be a lot slippier, to be honest, but it's really not. And also, this is a Magsafe case, so we can do a Magsafe test with this. So here we are, trusty Anchor stand, weighs about 200 grams. So the test is, if the phone can pick the stand up without dropping it, it's good. If the stand can take the weight of the phone without dropping it, it's good. So let's give it a go. So first off, we'll do the phone test first. It's not bad. It's not bad. If you give it, you give it a couple of jolts there, it will come loose. But you know, it will hang there and it will hold the phone with no issues. Not the strongest magnets, I'll be honest, but they're not awful. They're not bad by any way, shape or form. Then if I do the phone can take the weight of the stand, not a problem. Again, 2-3 jolts and it comes loose. Personally for me, I would like the magnets to be just a little bit stronger, but they're not awful. If you had this in your car, I'm not entirely sure that it would fall off in the car, but it's okay. It does the job. They're not the best magnets, but it does the job. what do you guys think of the clear case from Mous? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, hit me up down below. I'll ask any questions about this case. Not a problem. That's one case out of the way. So let's just use this opportunity, if you haven't already, why don't you click that little like button if you like this video. If you find this video useful, why don't you maybe click that thumbs up. And while you're at it, hit the wee subscribe button as well if you haven't done that. Thank you. Let's move on to the Aramid Fibre then. And as you can see, so the magnets don't show on this because it is Aramid Fibre. So just in case if you're interested in the magnet layout, there we go. It's just your standard Magsafe layout. You've got your ring and your little lines below it. Pretty standard stuff. Man, I love Aramid Fibre. I really do. I do really like that suede lining on the inside. It will help protect the back of that phone. And we'll just slot that in. Good tight fit. And there we go. What do you guys think of that? So obviously the entire back of the phone will be covered, but you will see the colours of the in round where the camera bump is. I do like it. I do like it. Now this is different to the clear case. The clear case is just smooth and shiny. You'll see here on the bumpers, whereas this one is like a matte effect, and we also have this sort of textured part here as well where the hand grips are. And I will say that is a really nice grip when you're holding this case. It does help you hold on to it. Now, while the S23 isn't as rounded as what the S22 was, it is still a big help, which is great. It is rigid, good rigid case. You can see there these bits here, it's only flexible where the ports are at the top as well. There's a little bit of flex there, but it is solid. That case isn't coming off anytime soon. And then in the bottom, charging, we have our space for our charging port, our speaker, and our S Pen. And again, S Pen pops out with no issues, nothing obstructing it there. It's a great case. We have our lip there at the bottom and the top of the display, and it's just the same as the clear one. It is quite big, and then the sides do come up flush with the display. So if you set it down, those lips are going to keep that raised. You're not going to get that display touching the surface. Same goes for the camera bump. The camera lenses are recessed. They don't come up out of that camera bump, so you're going to be protected if you set that down flat. Not a problem. I do like the feel of this case. This case, those textured sides definitely do make a difference. The clear case isn't slippery by any means, but just having that sort of texture, just you know that you've got a grip on it. So I really do like that. And of course, this is also a Magsafe case, so we will do a Magsafe test for this one as well. So we'll bring the trusty stand in. So let's kick this one off. Yeah, I would say the magnet strength is about the same as the clear case, to be honest. Not the strongest of magnets, I will be honest with that about that, but it does what it needs to do. If you were to set this on a stand or set this on a car mount, it's not going to move. So my personal preference, I would like them to be a little bit stronger, but they're not the worst. They're not the worst. I would say that the magnets are the same in these two cases. There isn't much of a difference between them. And there you have it. That is the Aramid Fibre. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What's your favorite? You want to go for the clear or the Aramid Fibre? I think my pick is the Aramid Fibre. I just can't not like an Aramid Fibre case. You know yourself, guys. You know yourself. If you are looking to pick any of these cases up, I will leave you a link in the description below, and I will leave you a discount code as well to Mous's website, so that will get you a discount at checkout if you do pick these up. So if you use my discount code, thanks for your support, guys. So that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button for me, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. So yeah, keep it locked to the channel, guys. I have more S23 Ultra content coming. There will be camera comparisons, there will be a full review later down the line, and there will be more case videos. So if you haven't had your fill of case videos, keep it locked because there's more coming. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.